Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss. Thank you for being here today. My name is Anissa Rahma, and I'm going to present syntax, grammatical, relation, and subject auxiliary inversion that I believe is very important, which is what is grammatical relation? Grammatical relation, also known as syntactic function or grammatical function, are the structural relationship between words and phrases within a sentence. They describe how elements like nouns, pronouns, and phrases relate to each other, particularly in their connection to the verb. Common grammatical relations include subject, direct object, indirect object, and oblique. Core types of grammatical relation. Core grammatical relation, fundamental to sentence structure, primarily involve the subject, direct object, and indirect object. Here a breakdown of the core relation. 1. Subject, the entity that perform the action of the verb. Example, in the dog cases, the dog is the subject. Direct 2. Direct object, the entity that is directly affected by the verb action. Example, in the dog catch the ball is the 3. Indirect object, the entity that refers the direct object or is otherwise indirectly affected by the action, often but not always follow preposition like to or. For example, in she gave the book, the him is the indirect object. 4. Oblique, any noun phrase that is not a core argument, subject, or object, and is often linked to the verb through proposition. Example, in she painted the picture with a brush. With a brush is oblique. 5. Genitive, a grammatical relation indicating precision or association, often expresses through the cat, toy, or Persian noun phrases, the roof of the house. Example, subject, the door of the action. She runs fast. The dog barked loudly. My brother plays guitar. 2. Object, the receiver of the action. He reads a book. They are eating pizza. I watch a movie. 3. Complement, give more information about the subject or object. She is a teacher. The sky looks blue. This food tasted tastes delicious. Delicious. Passive voice and grammatical relation. Active voice structure subject plus verb plus object. Example: his subject eats verb the cake object. Passive voice structure object from active plus be plus past participle plus by plus subject from active. Example: the cake subject in passive is eaten passive verb by him agent. Analysis subject auxiliary inversion in grammatical structure in English where the auxiliary verb like have, be, do, can, will precedes the subject in a sentence, reversing the typical subject-verb order. This is commonly seen in question and certain other construction. Here a more detailed explanation. What it is in standard English, the relative sentence, the subject usually comes before the verb. Subject auxiliary inversion flip the order, placing the auxiliary verb before the subject. How it's used. Yes or no question. The most frequent use is in forming yes or no question. For example, you are happy becomes are you happy? 2. Why question. It also used in we question starting with who, what, when, etc. For example, cooking becomes what is she cooking? Result basic structure. Basic structure normal order. Subject plus auxiliary plus main verb. Example: she is going. She subject is auxiliary verb going main verb. Subject auxiliary inversion question from. Auxiliary plus subject plus main verb. Example: is she going? The auxiliary verb is moves before the subject C2 from a question. When do we use subject auxiliary inversion? Subject auxiliary inversion, where the auxiliary verb precedes the subject, is primarily used in question and in certain emphatic or formal sentence structure. It's a common feature in yes or no question and we question inversion, also impairs with negative adverbs at the beginning of sentence like never or seldom. One question yes or no question. Inversion in fundamental to forming yes or no question, which seek a yes or no answer. For example, you are treat becomes are you treat. We question. Inversion is also used when asking questions with words like who, what, where, when, why. and how. For instance, Lim is cooking becomes what is in cooking. Too formal or emphatic use. Negative adverbs. When negative adverbs or adverbial phrases never, seldom, not only, under no circumstances are placed at the sentence for emphasis, subject or auxiliary inversion often occurs. Example: never have I seen such a sight. Other adverbials. Inversion can also occur with other adverbial for stylistic effect, often in formal or literary contexts. Conclusion. Grammatical relation help use identify how words function in a sentence, such as subject, object, and complements. Subject or auxiliary inversion is used to from question and express condition or emphasis by switching the subject and auxiliary verb. Source: Kroger, Paul R. 2005. Analysis, Grammar, and Interaction, Cambridge University Press, Payne, Thomas, and 1997. Describing morphosyntax, a guide for filed linguistic, Cambridge University Press, Carney, Andre, 2013. Syntax, a narrative introduction, Wiley, Blackwell. Handlesen, Rodney, and Pullum, Georg from Key, 2002. The Cambridge Grammar or the English Language, Cambridge University Press, Greenbaum, Sydney, and Quick, Redoubt, 1090. A student grammar of the English language, Luckman. Linguefree, 2006. A glossary of English grammar, Edinburgh University Press. Next, part 2, tree diagram. 1. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Structure: S, NP plus VP, NP that plus adjective, P the N. Adjective, P adjective plus adjective, VP, FV plus PP, PP plus P plus NP. Subject: NP that the adjective P, adjective quick, adjective brown and fox. VP, verb: jumps, PP, P over NP that the adjective lazy and talk. The girl who is wearing a red dress is dancing. Structure: NP plus VP, that plus N, the real clause. Who plus VP, V plus VP, ing is plus VP ing, V the plus NP, that plus adjective plus noun. Subject: NP, that the noun girl, re close, who VP, aux is VP, V wearing, NP, that a adjective red, noun dress, VP aux is V dancing. 3. Jevano saw the Yehenkila with the telescope. Ambiguous: can me using the telescope or the Yeheskila who had the telescope. Assuming Jevano used the telescope, PP modifies verb structure. NP plus VP. Noun proper name. V verb plus NP plus PP. V plus NP. Subject NP Jevano. VP V saw, NP, that the noun Yehezkiela, PP P with, NP, that the, and noun telescope. She believed that the earth is round. Structure: NP plus VP, V plus complementizer process. That subject: NP plus VP, V plus adjective. Subject: NP she, VP V believe, complementizer press. That subject: NP the earth, VP V is objective round. The 5. The house where I grew up has been demolished. Structure: NP plus VP, that plus N plus real cause, where plus subject, NP plus VP, V plus part, aux plus VN. Subject: NP, that the N house really cows where, NP I VP V grew part out. VP aux has, V been, VN demolished had. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.